Hi, I'm Thomas from Geovent. Today I would like to show you our new GeoHood MEHS that we have developed. GeoHood MEHS is a modular extraction hood concept that sets new standards for flexibility and efficiency in industrial work environments. Extraction hoods are most often used in situations where spot extraction is not possible or practical. GeoHood MEHS ensures effective extraction of harmful substances such as welding fumes, dust and vapors, creating a healthier working environment for employees. With 3 standard sizes and extensive customization options, GeoHood MEHS is ideal for everything from small workshops to large production facilities, for example when using welding robots. The modules can be combined and scaled up as needed, allowing the system to be tailored to specific workstations and industrial environments. Thanks to adjustable dampers, the airflow and suction speed can easily be adjusted to achieve optimal extraction. GeoHood MEHS also offers various add-on options to enhance both functionality and safety, such as welding slats, welding curtains, and lighting solutions. GeoHood MEHS is developed with a focus on simple and flexible installation without requiring further changes to the existing environment. The complete solution can be mounted from the ceiling with chains or wire, maximizing floor space for equipment such as welding robots or work tables. If ceiling mounting is not possible, floor columns can be chosen as an alternative. Thank you for watching. If you would like to know more about our new GeoHood MEHS, please contact us.